You walk into your living room. The afternoon sun streams through the window, casting soft shadows across the wooden frame of your piano. You sit down, press a key. It plays. But something feels different. The surface doesn't gleam like it used to. The keys, once ivory white, are now slightly yellowed. You pause. When was the last time you actually cleaned it? You run your fingers across the top, and they come away dusty. And in that moment, it hits you. This beautiful instrument, once the centerpiece of the room, is quietly deteriorating. And not from time, but from neglect. What if I told you that most people are slowly ruining their pianos without even realizing it? If you've ever felt emotionally connected to your piano, or if you've ever feared damaging it while cleaning, make sure to like this video and subscribe to The Big Sweep, because today we're going deep, not just into cleaning techniques, but into protecting the soul of something irreplaceable. Click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Cleaning a piano isn't about aesthetics, it's about preservation. A piano isn't just furniture, it's a living object. It breathes through wood, it resonates through keys, it carries emotion in every sound it produces. That quiet corner in your home, that's not just a space, it's a sanctuary of music and memory. But what many people don't realize is that pianos are sensitive to even the smallest environmental factors. Dust, fingerprints, moisture. They may seem harmless, but over time, they corrode not just the beauty, but the functionality of your instrument. Before we dive into how to clean it, let's get one thing clear. Less is more. Never reach for household cleaners or paper towels. You're not wiping down a kitchen counter. You're maintaining a delicate balance of wood, metal, and felt. Here's what you'll need. 2 microfiber cloths, one dry, one slightly damp, distilled water, a soft artist's brush or makeup brush for dusting between the keys, and a mild dish soap if necessary. That's it. No harsh sprays. No polish unless it's piano safe. Simple, minimal, gentle. Let's start with the part everyone touches, the keys. Whether your keys are made of ivory or plastic, they accumulate oils from your fingers and fine layers of dust that dull their sound and feel. Take your slightly damp microfiber cloth and gently wipe from the back of the key to the front, not sideways. Why? Because sideways wiping can push moisture between the keys and into the mechanism underneath. For stubborn grime, use a tiny amount of diluted mild soap. Then, immediately dry each key with your dry cloth. And remember, always clean white keys first, black keys after, to avoid dark dye transfer. Don't rush. This is a moment of connection. Now you might be tempted to open up the piano lid and look inside, but unless you're trained, don't. Pianos are complex machines. Instead, lift the music desk, the part where you play sheet music, and use your soft brush to gently remove dust from that area. For grand pianos, if you feel confident, you can lightly dust the inner rim where the strings are exposed, but never touch the strings or action components. Even a small bit of pressure in the wrong place can knock the alignment out. The goal here is respectful dusting, not invasive cleaning.
Always cover your piano with a dust cover when not in use. Place it away from direct sunlight, heaters, or humid corners. Pianos prefer stable environments, ideally between 40–50% humidity. If you live in a dry region, consider a humidity control system. And of course, get it tuned at least once a year, not just for sound, but because tuning keeps the internal structure healthy. Think of it like a checkup for the soul of your home. Your piano is more than just wood and keys. It's a memory machine. It holds your triumphs, your struggles, your silent nights. So when you clean it, you're not just preserving sound, you're preserving sentiment. You're saying, I still value you. And in return, it gives you music that feels just as alive as the day it was born. If this video helped you see your piano in a new light, like it, subscribe to the channel, and drop a comment below. What memory do you associate with your piano? Maybe it's a piece you played, a person who taught you, or just a moment you'll never forget. And click the link below to gain access to our free community. As an added bonus, you will get a free Top 10 Cleaning Products Guide and a free emergency cleaning checklist. Let's keep the music alive, together.